Welcome back to another video. So let's see. I received the following comment regarding the conversion of a gripper within STL file format that needs to be converted into a solid part over here. So let's take a look over here at how you can address that problem. On my channel, there are multiple videos regarding this. So this STL file will need to be loaded within Digital Shape Editor. Over there, you will need to have that conversion. You can use automatic surface, but in some cases it's not recommended, and manual reconstruction of the model is the best solution. So I have multiple videos regarding that. For example, this is a simple part where we have the automatic surface feature used. And as well, you can also search for other videos like this. So over here, the STL files will be loaded as meshes, and those will need to be converted into closed surface so that you can then work with them directly within CATIA. For example, in the case of a gripper, you will need to have those solid bodies to define that kinematics mechanism. You can also find additional videos regarding this. For example, if you're going to type in STL within my channel, there are various videos regarding this. So, for example, this one, how to automate STL components separation, because the gripper, when it will be loaded as an STL, all the elements will be nested within a single, let's say, a mesh. And you need individual meshes. So this is why I would recommend this video as well for that. This is another case study within CATIA from an STL to step. You can also use a step file in order to define that mechanism. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.